Every successful result starts with a plan. Without a plan, we rely on luck. With a plan, we create direction. First, be clear about your goal. Ask yourself, what do I really want to achieve? A goal should be specific. Instead of saying, I want to be better, say, I want to save money, or I want to finish this project in 1 month. Clarity is the foundation of planning. Second, break the goal into smaller steps. Big goals can feel overwhelming, but small steps feel doable. If your goal is to lose weight, your steps could be eating healthier, exercising 3 times a week, and sleeping earlier. Each small step moves you closer to your goal. Third, set a timeline. A plan without a deadline is just a wish. Decide when you will start and when you want to finish. Use daily, weekly, or monthly targets. This helps you stay focused and measure your progress. Fourth, identify possible obstacles. Ask yourself, what might stop me? It could be lack of time, motivation, or resources. When you expect challenges, you can prepare solutions in advance instead of giving up when problems appear. Fifth, take action immediately. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start with the first small step today. Action builds momentum, and momentum builds confidence. Finally, review and adjust your plan. Life changes, and plans should be flexible. If something doesn't work, adjust it, don't abandon it. Progress is better than perfection. Remember, planning is not about controlling everything. It's about giving yourself direction. When you have a plan, you turn dreams into actions, actions into results.